Hello friends. Today I will discuss about the topic underexplored employment generator in India. But before going deep into that, let me first draw all your attention towards two major challenges faced by India today. One of them is unemployment and the other one is waste disposal. Talking about unemployment, one of the studies says the unemployment rate in India has reached an all-time high of 23.5% in April 2020. And to make matter worse, the Indian labor force is set to grow by over 8 million per annum over the coming decade, most of which will be driven by the youth entering the labor market. So, we are not able to provide enough jobs to the youth at present. More and more youth are entering the labor market. It is an alarming situation. The second challenge which I have highlighted here is waste disposal. One of the studies says urban India, roughly about 377 million people, generate 62 million tons of municipal solid waste each year. Of this, about 43 million tons, 70% is being collected, and 11.9 million tons, 20% is being treated. About 31 million tons, 50% is being dumped in landfill sites. So you see, these are two of the major problems India is facing right now. Now try to remember the famous quote which says, necessity is the mother of all invention. What is the necessity here? How to solve the problems of unemployment and waste disposal. Then, what is the invention? It is none other than recycling, the underexplored employment generator in India, the topic of our discussion today. Now, let us discuss. When we take India into perspective, there are roughly about 8,000 towns and cities and 6,50,000 villages. And all of these towns and villages produce lots of garbage on daily basis, which were quite hard to dispose of. It creates water and air pollution, which are the cause of some serious health hazards. The recycling unit, which are functioning at present in small locality and small scale, are not enough to recycle such an amount of waste. So, what is the solution? Recycling as an industry. The next is the possible planning. If we take 4 to 5 villages and towns and form a recycling unit where waste such as organic and inorganic, liquid or solid can be recycled, if we can sustain that business and starts to generate profit, then one by one it will be applied to whole of India. Then we will be able to create nearly about 1,30,000 such units. Suppose one of such unit can employ a minimum of 500 employees. Then we can employ nearly about 6.5 crores unemployed youth. And I am telling this figure as a rough estimate. It can be more if we take into account the actual scenario. Now let us take into account the general procedure here. First step, waste generation from household and its segregation into different bins. Then systematic collection of waste from household. Third, transportation of the same to the recycling unit. And fourth, waste recycling and products and byproducts that are being generated. It can be understood from this image that the input is the waste, whether that is organic or inorganic, and the output is electrical energy, fuel, biogas, manure, plastic roads, etc. Now, what is the scenario we are looking into? Two major problems. They form a symbiotic relationship and help each other to find a common solution. Symbiosis is a biological term specifically used for two organisms that are interdependent on each other for food and security. These two problems are just like that only. But at the core of it, what is the utmost requirement? What is the pivotal force which will guide all this? It is none other than government initiative. It is the government who has the money, power and authority to do so. And most of all, they are being elected for this reason only, to solve our problem and guide us in new path. It has to be started as a pilot project. After initial phase of success, when the first unit starts to make profit, then another unit can be created, and so on. A chain of such unit can produce a nationwide pool of recycling units, which will be the biggest employment generator in India. Now, what are the advantages and opportunities awaiting us? India can be the next recycling hub for the world. India will strive towards becoming a developed nation. We will have satisfied youth, and the youth will be driven towards innovation. Finally, we will get a prosperous and happy nation. But for all that to happen, first of all, we need to broaden our outlook today. Don't just blindly follow others and walk in their footsteps, not knowing about what is the actual reality that we are living in today. It is just like that frog in the well who thinks the well is its whole world, and it is so afraid to look beyond that it never reaches its full potential. We need to change that thinking, and the government should be the pioneer in that endeavor. That is all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank Thank you very much.